welcome back to the Northern Woodshop. Now for today's video, we'll be restoring a cutting board. Now recently I made a video on how to make a cutting board, but today we'll restore a cutting board. So today we'll be restoring this cutting board here. So this is a type of cutting board that just slides underneath your kitchen counter. So this is what we have in our home. It's just above the top drawer. And just underneath the kitchen counter, there's a slot there where it just simply slides in and you just slide it out when you need it. So right now we're going to start sanding with the 80 grit sanding paper, and then we'll move on to the 100. Okay, so now the 80 grit and the 100 grit are done, so it's very smooth at this point. So what we're going to do now is I'm just going to spray a little water on the board itself. So what this will do is the wood will absorb the water and swell up the water's going to swell up the wood, and all imperfections will just stick up. All right, so and then we'll just sand it again and make sure it's very smooth. So you just we'll spray water like this. It doesn't need to be like very, very wet, but just enough so that, like I said, all imperfections will just simply stand up, and we'll be able to sand it again with the 120 grit. So now that the sanding is all done, so the 80 grit has been done, the 100 grit has been done. Once the water was dry, I went back with the 120 grit. Everything is very smooth right now. So what we're going to do now is just add some cutting board oil. And so you just spray this on there like so. So the grain of the wood really puffs out. It's really, really nice. So once this dries, we'll go back and add some cutting board wax on top of that. I mean, you can still see some of the knife marks, but it's not too bad. We'll just do it like so. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.